President Donald Trump has urged US lawmakers to get rid of a landmark 2022 bipartisan law called the CHIPS Act, which aimed to give billions in subsidies for semiconductor chip manufacturing and production. Trump rather wants to divert these proceeds for the subsidies to pay debt. This act was introduced at a time when US chip production had dropped to 12% from 40% in 1990. Adidas is forecasting a lower than expected operating profit for 2025. Adidas is anticipating slow sales growth from a strong 2024. The company is expecting to reach between 1.7 billion to 1.8 billion euros in operating profit, lower than the 2.1 billion euros that analysts had expected. Adidas is also looking for new sources of growth beyond its retro sneakers as it seeks to take further market share from Nike. Disney is planning to reduce its workforce by around 6%. The layoffs would affect less than 200 staff across both the ABC News Group and Disney Entertainment Networks. A person familiar with the issue stated that the majority of the impact would be on the ABC News staff. Chile's SQM, the world's second largest lithium producer, reported a near 41% fall in its fourth quarter net profit. Higher sales volumes of the mining giant failed to offset a sharp decline in lithium prices. The company, which also produces fertilizers and industrial chemicals, reported a net profit of over $120 million as compared to nearly $206 million the year before for the fourth quarter. French defence giant Dassault Aviation reported a rise in its full-year sales as global tensions among nations fuel defence spending. The company's surge in sales is owing to an industry-wide boom in demand, mainly due to the war in Ukraine and the suspension of military aid to Ukraine by the United States. Dassault Aviation's adjusted net sales rose to 6.23 billion euros in 2024, while its operating income was 519 million euros, up nearly 50% from last year.